people, welcome to ICO reviews, and today I'm going to review Availcom. Now, this ICO is focused on property rent and other things you may want to rent, like car and all the rest. It says our society is developing and the classical ways of property renting are becoming obsolete. All processes are accelerated and simplified. The purpose of our platform is to facilitate your life so that you do not waste your precious time on unnecessary meetings. We have saved time and money for you. And here they give the difference they have over other existing platforms like Booking.com and all the rest. You can see it here, Availcom, Airbnb, Booking.com, Hotel.com have these and ads. You can find all the different things they have that others do not have. Now they are decentralized platform. All these do not have that. Accommodation and rent and car rental in one application. All this does not have it. Housing car can be rented to a private person. A and B they have, but others do not have. So in all these differences, they have a lot that others do not have at all. Not have at all. So you also have the video here you can watch. But let's go up. 15 days the ICO is live, is ongoing, and you can get 50% bonus for that. The white paper is there. You can read the white paper. So these are the videos that the explainer video for it. And you can check a lot of reviews about them. Coin Diary, ICO, ICO, Bench, and all the rest. Let's go down. Now the total token supply is 2.2 billion, 200 million. Hard cap is $25 million, and the soft cap is $3 million US. The cost is 3 cents, and you get 50% token in the private sale. In the ICO 1, you get 50%, ICO 2 35%, and pre-ICO 20%. The soft cap and the hard cap, how are they going to spend it? I've shown you this. This is the roadmap. Questions: do you plan to call up the Availcom platform? When do you plan to do that? You can see we plan to launch the platform in a test mode in August 2018, and a full-fledged launch will be scheduled for January 2018. When would it be launched and all the rest? Many questions you may have. Do you plan to place a token on exchange? Yes, it is a priority setup in a roadmap, and the release of the token is on the stock exchange is included. Immediately after completion of the IC or this stage, the direction are underway, but we do not stop in this direction. You can find all the information here, and these are the team: Mikhail Sitnichenko, Ivan Domanin, Anton Shavsivalev, Alexei Shalagin, and all the rest here. You can find them, and these are the advisors they have for this ICO. You can check them all the social media. The white paper is unique, so it's really unique. White paper is unique, so you can check it out. And on ICO Bench, for the 3 expert rating, they accept BTC, Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, and Dash. Investment is $10, and they are based in Singapore. And you need to get whitelisted for it. Telegram, 842 members. Twitter, they have 5,175 followers. This is their lesser ranking, more visitors from India than from Ukraine. The who is GoDaddy 2018 they registered and 2019 is going to expire. So this is my review about Availcom Ico. So I encourage you to make your own decision, make your own due diligence. I'll drop the link down below. And everything I've said in this video is strictly my own personal opinion. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate you. Before you go, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Until next time I come your way, this is ICO Reviews.